1. Greetings and introductions. 50. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? What's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where are you from? I am from Japan. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. What do you do? I am a teacher. See you later. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Good night. Sweet dreams. Long time no see. Welcome. Come in, please. How is your family? They are fine. This is my friend. He is my brother. She is my sister. Where do you live? I live in Tokyo. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Do you like music? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. How's the weather? It's sunny today. It's raining. 2. At the supermarket. 50. Excuse me. Where is the bread? The bread is here. Thank you. How much is this? It's $2. That's cheap. That's expensive. I want this one. I don't want that. Where are the apples? They are in aisle 3. I need some rice. I need milk. Do you have eggs? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Cash or card? Here is my card. Here is the cash. Do you have a bag? Yes, I have one. No, I need a bag. Paper bag or plastic bag? Paper, please. Plastic, please. Do you have salt? Where is the sugar? It's over there. This is too heavy. Can you help me? Yes, sure. No problem. That's okay. Is this fresh? Yes, very fresh. No, not so fresh. What time do you close? We close at 9 p.m. What time do you open? We open at 10 a.m. Can I get a receipt? Here's your receipt. Do you need help? No, thank you. Yes, please. Have a nice day. You too. 3. At the restaurant. 50. Table for 2, please. Here is the menu. Thank you. Can I have water? Yes, of course. What do you recommend? I recommend the chicken. I'll have the chicken. I'll have the fish. I want pizza. I don't eat pork. Is this spicy? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Can I have it mild? Can I have it without salt? Yes, no problem. What drinks do you have? We have coffee and tea. I'll take coffee. I want tea. Can I have a beer? Sorry, we don't have beer. How long will it take? About 15 minutes. Here is your food. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. It looks delicious. It tastes good. This is very tasty. I like it. I don't like it. It's too salty. It's too sweet. Can I have more water? Of course. Can I have the bill? Yes, one moment. Here is your bill. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Here is my card. Here is the cash. Keep the change. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you again. Goodbye. For transportation, 50. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? It's over there. When is the next bus? At 10 o'clock. How much is the bus fare? It's $2. Here you are. Thank you.